Hello followers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metal and wooden design idea you can use for your home, office or patio decor. So watch the video until the end to see this beautiful idea and get inspiration. Scrap wooden and the metal idea are a great way to turn leftover materials into practical, good-looking pieces. Instead of tossing those short wooden ends from cutting projects, you can combine them with salvaged metal bits like hangers, breakers, washers, nails, screws, bottle caps, mesh or tiny sheet metal. The wooden adds texture while the material brings strength, durability and an industrial edge. With a little planning, even small pieces can become functional decor or workshop ready accessories. Scrap wooden ends also work well as decorative feet, spacers or trim. For example, you can make a rustic tray by forming a shallow wooden offcut with thin metal edge. Use metal corner bracing to keep the tray square. This makes a great catch-all for jewelry, remotes or bathroom items. One simple project is a well-mounted organizer that uses a scrap wood end at the main base. Sand the wooden smooth, then attach metal hooks made from old hardware or repurposed wire nails and washers under some attachment points to create neat, deliberate look. You can place this organizer near the interway for key small bags or daily essential. We hope you are enjoyed our today content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload a new video. It takes a lot of time and effort to make this video. Your subscription, like and share are what inspire us to create more content. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to see you in next video. Until the end, stay safe and stay blessed.